Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be part 3 of my beauty boot camp and the fundamentals of getting glam, baby. So today is the fundamentals and the do's and do nots of winged eyeliner. Winged eyeliner can probably be one of the hardest things to do. One pro tip I can give you is practice, practice, practice. I know that's so annoying, and I thought the same thing when people would tell me that. They'd be like, oh, you just gotta practice and figure it out for yourself and what shape of eyeliner works for you and stuff like that. I'm like, bitch, I wanna know how to do it now. Hi, how are you? So, if you want to know how I created this great sultry, coppery, rose gold kind of look, I'll just leave a link in the bottom of the description, so I'll just go there, it'll be easier. Today I'm going to be using this liquid eyeliner. It's by Revlon. It's this skinny eyeliner. I don't know why it's called that, maybe because the tip is skinny. It looks like this. Like it's because it's skinny, and that's why I like it. So my first tip when doing eyeliner is find an eyeliner that is liquid eyeliner. I like liquids better because they tend to go on very smooth and very precise as compared to like a gel or something. And also get an eyeliner that has a point to it, to the tip, like I just showed you, so you can get that really flick. So before even going into this, I just want to address a couple of things of the don'ts when doing eyeliner. So what you don't want to do, I know that it's your natural reaction when you're doing eyeliner to go up, like really like that, and go up because you think it's going to pull up your eye and therefore pull up your face and make you look like you had a facelift or something. But no, it's not going to do that. It's just, especially if you have hooded eyelids. Okay, now I am up close and personal with you guys, and you can guys see how nicely blended this eyeshadow is, baby. Like, she is blended to fill, like she's ready. Okay, so what you want to do, take your time first of all. Like, don't get in a rush. You can rush a lot of parts of your makeup application, but this is not one of them, bitch. So take a mirror. I'm taking this big ass mirror here. And like I said, follow the natural curvature of your eye. So not too far up, but not straight out at a 90-degree. Like that, okay? So we have that. Now you want, what I do, some people do it differently, they start in the inner corner and then go there, but I find it easier to start at the tip of the winged eyeliner and go in like that. Like so. Gotcha. So why I am doing this and not filling it in right now is because I want you guys to see that when I look at you guys straight on, the winged eyeliner is not getting hit up into my lid. Because if you drew it too far up and you had to come down, it'll get chopped off and go into the fold of your lid. Make sure when you're doing this to get close, the closest you can to your lash line. Be careful, did I scare you? I think I scared myself when I scared you. Fuck my life. As you can see, I followed the curvature of my lash line more so on this one than I did this one. This is the do side and this is the don't side. So I hope that you guys like this video. Let me zoom out because you don't need to be that close. I hope that you guys like this video. I know I love doing it. It's probably one of the most anxiety-ridden videos that I've ever done because liquid eyeliner is just so scary. This looks so good, and this looks so like snatched and like there. Whereas compared to this one, it just looks like literally all it looks like is that I drew a line out with this very blunt at the edge. Like, no baby, you don't do it like that. You do it like this, snatched like that. Okay, like that. Keep that in mind, and keep all the tips that I showed you on this eye in mind, and don't do your eyeliner like this side because you will get red. But my next video will be on complexion products, so foundation and bronzer and contour and highlight. So I'm very excited to do that for you guys because it's going to be a fun one, because most people want to know how to get snatched skin and snatched cheekbones, and that will be a really fun one to do, and I hope that you guys will like it. So just stay tuned for that next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!